In this presentation, we will learn how to initialize structure variables and how to access members of the structure. So let's get started. Here we have a struct ABC and we have these two members P and Q. Both are of type integer, right? We are simply initializing these variables using this assignment operator. But this is a wrong way of initialization. This is not allowed. Although we can have a variable x of type struct ABC and then we can initialize these variables, right? 23 is being assigned to P and 34 is assigned to Q. We can initialize these variables by creating a variable of type struct ABC, right? Okay. Let's take this example of a car. We have the struct car and within this structure, we have this engine, fuel type, fuel tank capacity, city mileage. Within the main function, we have created a variable C1 of type struct car, which means that C1 can access all these members, right? Here we are simply initializing all these members by DDIS 190 engine, diesel 37.5/1974, which means that DDIS 190 engine is assigned to engine and diesel is assigned to fuel type. This is fuel tank capacity, this is sitting capacity, and 19.74 is the city mileage, right? Similarly, we have a C2 variable of the same type, which means that C2 variable can also access all these members and can assign them some values, right? Here in this case, we are assigning kappa, petrol, 22, 8 and 14.5. We can see here that these two cars are having same properties, but they are having different values, right? Because they are two different variables. So we can easily give the members of the structure different values using these two variables, right? Now, how to access the members of the structure? We can access members of structure using dot operator. With the help of dot operator, we can access the members of the structure very easily. For example, in this case also we have the struct car, but we just have this variable that is fuel tank capacity and we have these two variables C1 and C2 of type struct car, right? Within this main function, we are using C1 and C2 and we are simply calling this member that is fuel tank capacity using dot operator. C1 dot fuel tank cap means we are simply accessing this member using C1 variable because C1 type is struct car, so we can easily access its member. So C1 dot fuel tank capacity is 45 and C2 dot fuel tank capacity is 30, which means that C1 car is having this fuel tank capacity and C2 car is having this fuel tank capacity. With the help of printf function, we can print these values on the screen. So the output is 45, 30, right? Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this presentation.